Good morning, children. Welcome to a new day after the weekend. And are you all ready to study English? Yes. So, children, today is Monday and we will start our day with English class. Children, in today's class, we will learn to read and recognize capital and small letters A to Z. And then, children, I will teach you the sounds and songs of the letters A to Y. Today, I am going to introduce you song of the letter Z. And I will teach you to write capital Z in the notebook. In practice work, children, we will write Anga in the Hindi notebook and then we will practice our rhyme Little Tommy Tucker with actions. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, now it's time to revise the sounds and songs of the letters A to Y. And then I'm going to teach you a song of the letter Z today. Okay, children, so let's start. This is capital A and this is small a. A says A. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. B, capital B, small b. B says B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. This is capital C, small c. C says K. We are clicking castanets. K. So C says K. Capital D, small d. D says D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da 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 da. So the sound of D is da. Now children, capital E and small e. E says eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Cracks the eggs like this. E says eh. Now comes F. F says, this is capital F and this is small f. F says, my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. F says, capital G, small g. G says go. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Go, 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 go. Capital H, small h. It says hop. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. So it says hop. Capital I, small I. I says E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Now comes J. Capital J and small j. J says J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. Children, this is capital K and this is small k. K says K and this is a kicking K. Kites are flying in the sky, K. Kites are flying in the sky, K. Capital L, small l. L says we lick a lollipop, we lick a lollipop, we lick a lollipop. Capital M, small m. M says the mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Capital N, small n. N says hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. So N says Children, now comes O. This is capital O and this is small o. O says O. Okay. Now it's dark, the light goes on. O. It's time for bed, the light goes off. O. Capital P, small p. P says P. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff. This is capital Q and this is small q. Q says quack. The ducks in the pond says quack, 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 quack. So Q says quack. Children, now comes R. This is capital R and this is small r. R says when the dog is very angry. How he makes sound? He says see my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. So R says R. Now comes S. Capital S and small s. S says S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Now comes T, children. This is capital T and this is small t. T says T. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Now comes children U. This is capital U and this is small u. U says up. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Now children, this is capital V and this is small v. V says W. Dry Wicks went round the village. Dry Wicks went round the village. Dry Wicks went round the village. Whoa. Children, this is capital W and this is small w. And W says whoa. I see the clouds moving. Whoa. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. So W says wah. So now comes X. This is capital X and this is small x. X is X. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Children, this is capital Y and this is small y. Y says yeah. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. So Y says yeah. Now comes Z, capital Z and small z. So children, today I am going to teach you the song of letter Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? So this is the song of letter Z, children. In this way you have to learn the songs and sounds of the letters A to Z the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you to write last letter of English alphabet and that is Z. Z for zero. Okay children? So today I am going to teach you to write capital Z. But before that, children, let's have a look the things which start with the letter Z. Look here children, this is capital Z and this is small z. Z for zero, Z for zip. Z for zoo, where you can watch all the wild animals. Okay. And then Z for zebra crossing. So let's say it one more time. Z for zero, Z for zip, Z for zoo and Z for zebra crossing and Z for zebra also. And children, now I am going to teach you the song of the letter Z. Children, the sound of Z is Z. Okay, and the sound and the B sound is also Z. So, come on now, let's sing the song of the letter Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Zzz. Children, the sound of B is Z, like this, and the sound of Z is also Z. Okay, so they both sound similar. Now children, I am going to teach you to write capital Z. This is today's date. Today is 16th August 2021. Children, you put your pencil on the red line. First I am going to write on the board which you have to watch carefully. See children, you have to put your pencil on the top red line and from here you have to make a sleeping line like this children. Then don't remove your hand. Okay, from here you have to make a slanting line like this till the second blue line. Then again you have to make a sleeping line. In this way children, after finishing writing Z, then only you will remove your hand. Okay, so see like this, sleeping line, slanting line and again a sleeping line. In this way you have to write capital Z. So you have to start from the top red line, sleeping line, then you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line, then again on the blue line you have to make a sleeping line. In this way. So don't remove your hand in between. Write in one go. See like this. Sleeping line, slanting line and again a sleeping line. In this way children, you have to write capital Z. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now let's write capital Z in the English notebook. First you have to write today's date children. Today is 16th August 2021 like this, 16.8.21. Now children, put your pencil on the red line, the top red line, and here you have to make a sleeping line first. Okay, now see, this much sleeping line, then from here you have to make a slanting line till the second blue line, then again a sleeping line. In this way, in one go you have to write capital Z. Look here, sleeping line, slanting line and a sleeping line. Like this you have to write sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Don't remove your hand in between. In this way, children, you have to write capital Z. Now I'm on the second line. In this way, children, you have to write capital Z, make a sleeping line, then a slanting line, then again a sleeping line. So start with the red line, then you have to go to the second blue line, then again you have to make a sleeping line on the second blue line. In this way, children, you have to write capital Z in your English notebook. So write it and send its picture to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. And in practice work, you have to write Anga Khali in the Hindi notebook. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम आज की डेट लिखेंगे. आज है 16th August 2021 like this. अब बच्चों, अब हम कैसे लिखेंगे? देखो, आपको आपकी पेंसिल को ब्लू लाइन पे रखना है, छोटी सी स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाई और उसके नीचे हाथ को हटाए बिना सी बनाना है, फिर उल्टा सी बनाना है और नीचे वाली ब्लू लाइन को टच करना है. इसके पास में एक छोटा सा डॉट बनाना है, मतलब बिंदी बनानी है और छत लगा देनी है. इस तरह से आपको अंगा खाली लिखना है, ऐसे. और ऐसे लिखते लिखते ये फर्स्ट लाइन फिनिश करनी है. अब हम सेकेंड लाइन पे आते हैं. देखो आप यहाँ पे ऐसे. तो बच्चों, इस तरह से आपको अंगा खाली लिखना है आपकी हिंदी की नोटबुक में एज अ प्रैक्टिस वर्क. और आप सब लिख सकते हो अच्छे से, है ना. ये देखो, डॉट ऐसे लगानी है, सर्कल्स नहीं बनाने हैं. और ये मैंने लास्ट लिखा. इस तरह से 1 पेज अंगा खाली लिखना है और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है. चलिए, now it's time to practice our rhyme Little Tommy Tucker with actions. So let's start it together. You also do it along with me. Okay? So let's start. Good morning. The title of my poem is Little Tommy Tucker. Little Tommy Tucker sings for his supper. What shall he eat? White bread and butter. How shall he cut it? With a big knife. Who shall he share with his big fat wife? In this way, children, you have to practice this rhyme along with action. So try to learn it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.